So we're at the docks in Cape Town and we were asked to seal this reservoir. There's quite a few videos that we did before. The reason for this one is because you can start seeing things come together. The last videos we showed a reservoir that was just substrate that hadn't had membrane put on yet. We cleaned it up, we got rid of the plants, we made sure that we cemented the areas that needed cementing, and we lined this reservoir with our EPDM rubber. You can see over there there's some rubber. It comes on rolls. In this specific case we worked with 9-meter wide rolls going right up to 30 meters long, which means advantageously there's no seams or very little seams, and architects and engineers love that. The fact that this membrane can actually withstand the sun UV in Africa is a great bonus, because this is going to be lying under the water for a long time. Our seams can handle it. As you can see at the ends, right on the top there, a lot of engineers have asked us, how do you terminate there? Well, we terminate with aluminium termination bars, 21 holes in a 3-meter length, and we just pepper them all along the side. So you can see things coming together. Up the slants, you can even see we've got a nice membrane right up this wall over here. The guys at the moment, they're working on this section over here, which is quite cool. And you can see we've got quite a bit of detail going on there. There's a protrusion, and what we're doing is we're sealing around that area, and that's the beauty that EPDM can handle. EPDM, the product that we use, can handle the seaming quite well, and we can really do 90 degrees. We can cover outlet pipes, protrusions, extrusions, etc. We've really got it covered with this product. It is the product of choice by most engineers and architects out there.